Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, like brand new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali 4-wheel drive, loaded. Finished in Summit White, jet black interior. It's got the 6.2, big alloys, retractable tonneau cover, multifunction gate. Cameras all over the place. Sticker on this truck had to have been well over 70 grand. Comes with the balance of the factory warranty. It's got the 6.2. It's a ECOTEC3. It's got dynamic fuel management on it. Big Stout grill up front, littered with chrome everywhere. Love the headlights, so cool. It's got the technology, it's got the rear camera, huge multicolor 1500 or 15-inch display, diagonal. Owner's manuals. Gosh, look at that display. GMC all-weather mats, monster moonroof, LED lighting throughout. Love the matte finish on the wood too. Bose sound. Molded splash guards. Keep it clean. Stereo rocks in these trucks. I've always loved those. Heated and cooled seats. Look at that stitch on there. Beautiful. Automatic headlights. Switch on mode. Four-wheel drive. And the cool trailer rig there. It's pretty neat. I got the key. 14,912 miles. My client drives this truck. Heated steering wheel, Distronic cruise with crash avoidance, cool trailer backup mode. It's got cameras all over the place. So basically you select the kind of trailer you're using. The integrated trailer brake, automatic temperature control, electronic, air conditioned seats because it's hot right now, heated seats, and you can also do the back or both, which is nice. And again, love this. Fantastic. Oh, it's the OnStar, been around for years. Polished alloys. Well, guys, thanks for joining me today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about a little over 100 photos I took today on the website, weebyautos.com, 631-339-0399. Thanks.